Verify Print is an intelligent feature that lets you print one set of a multi-set print job to verify the accuracy of print options prior to printing the remaining sets. This helps prevent wasting paper and time. After reviewing the verified print, you are prompted to specify whether you want to print the remaining sets or delete them. Perform the following steps to set and print a verified print job. In the Print dialog window, enter a number greater than 1 to print multiple copies. Select any desired print options on any of the tabs. Then tap the Print and hold Tab. Click the Use Print and hold checkbox and click Verify Print. Then, click OK. Click Print. One copy of the document will print and the remaining sets will be stored in held jobs in the touch panel display. To continue printing the remaining sets after verifying the print is correct, tap the Held Jobs button on the operator's panel. Locate and tap your username. Tap your Verify Print file. Tap the 3 vertical dots to View Details, delete the remaining sets, or print the remaining sets. Tap Print to print the remaining sets.